Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Vanuatu. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Vanuatu has a thousand number of people that are unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the uh, business owner and potential buyers. Okay, so what to sell on Fiverr? So the social media manager, you can be a social media manager, do content writing, deliver the personal messages, help to produce the slogans and taglines, produce the YouTube intros and promo ads, converting the YouTube video into audio, and many other things. So it's a very great platform to do it. Okay, and you can earn money online. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.